Hello. I think my hair kind of explains what I've been through this past weekend. What is it doing? It's really confident though. It's like, hey, I'm here. Look at me. But it's also like you question it. You're like, why? Why are you doing that? I'm just gonna let it be. I look like a lion. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it down and whatever. So I got back from London. I was there for a vocal workshop in Wanstead. I don't know how to say it. I traveled there all by myself on the tube. I was terrified. There were two men that tried to harass me, but I ran away from them. Thank you, Mama. Good lessons. I had to switch locations because there's more light here.
Wanstead.
Oh!
Wanstead.
Okay, we get it. The collective that my voice teacher from Kent founded is called Songbird Sessions, and they were having a master class. It was really great. I met some international people from like all over Europe. Great, phenomenal singers, like just the sweetest of souls. So amazing. It was awesome to be in that space with those people because it was so vulnerable. We were supporting each other, and I just met these people, and like I felt so like accepted and supported and encouraged to mess up and to keep going and to just like really harness the power within myself. And our slogan for the day was something that I said: fear is a liar. When this sweet soul went up to sing and admitted that they were afraid, I was like, why are you afraid? Like I was wondering and curious. And then when they finally they just did their thing and like embraced themselves and went for it, the end product was growth and empowerment. Like it was amazing. They did what they wanted to do, and even though they were so scared that they weren't going to be able to do it, like they did it in the end. I went and I told them, I was like, see, all I gotta say is fear is a liar. Lo and behold, it was true. It was true for me. I had to just remind myself and tell everyone too, it applies to everyone, like fear is a liar. Like it's not you. It's not you. It's something else. And once you realize that, the quicker you are to getting on with your life and stop feeling inhibited by the things that are happening in your head, like the voices and the entities that you think are you and are not you. Anyway, I didn't film much of me walking around, but I was walking a lot. My legs are dying. And I was really just taking the moment to soak up my surroundings and really be present. Like really be as present as possible. Like I was trying this thing where I was like, okay, I saw something that looked really cool from a distance. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna walk towards that. And I didn't really pull out my phone for a map, even though I had no idea where I was. Tried to follow the streets and follow my intuition. I was terrified, but I was also like, you know what? Like just walk and do your thing and end up where you end up and like embrace everything that you're encountering. It was a really cool exercise because I ended up like bumping into different things and being, oh, like what's that? And like going towards that, and then like, oh, what's this street? Like, oh, that's a coffee shop, or like, oh, like look at all these people. Like, oh, I wonder where like they're going. And I was like really, really embracing my surroundings and just seeing like where it took me. And I ended up going to where I wanted to go, and I didn't realize it at the time, but it was St. Paul's Cathedral. And I was like, oh wow, that's what it is. Oh, that's so cool. Like that's a really beautiful building. I did write a lot. I wrote down the things that were crossing through my mind and the way I was processing it. I was trying to capture it more poetically as possible, but still very like first thing that comes to your head, first line that you're thinking about, like feelings, like movements and all that. So I had my phone out and I was typing and looking and typing the things that I was feeling directly. And it was really cool. And I keep reading back at the note and I'm like, wow, like there's so much inspiration there. As I was walking, I looked in the direction of where I came and it was so far away, and I was like, wow, I walked that and I was like, wow, I'm tired. I need to find a train. Then I hopped on a tube to Victoria Station and I hitched my way back to Gillingham. Good old Gillingham. Yeah. It's just been a whirlwind. It's been a whirlwind of a weekend and I want to do that more. Oh my god. What the heck? Right. Thanks. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. I don't know what this accent is, but